Have you ever heard of DISM but are not sure what it actually does? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful DISM commands that can help you diagnose your Windows installation, inspect drivers, and learn more about your operating system. But first, what is DISM? DISM stands for Deployment Image Servicing and Management. It's a built-in Windows command line tool developed by Microsoft for servicing, repairing, and managing Windows images. IT professionals often use it to troubleshoot Windows problems, check the health of the operating system, manage drivers, and perform system maintenance. The best part? It's already included with Windows, so you don't need to install anything. Let's jump into the commands. Open Command Prompt or Windows Terminal as an administrator, then type Command 1, View Installed Drivers. Type DISM/online/get drivers and hit Enter. This command displays all third-party drivers installed on your computer. It's useful when troubleshooting driver issues, auditing installed drivers, identifying unnecessary or outdated drivers, and gathering driver information before reinstalling Windows. You'll see details such as the driver name, provider, and installation status. Command 2, check your current Windows edition. Type DISM/online/Get-CurrentEdition and hit the Enter key. Not sure whether you're running Windows Home, Pro, Enterprise, or Education? This command instantly tells you the exact Windows edition installed on your PC. It's especially useful before upgrading your system or purchasing a Windows license. Command 3, see available upgrade editions. Type DISM/online/Get-TargetEditions. This command lists the Windows editions your current installation can be upgraded to without performing a clean installation. For example, if you're using Windows Home, it may show that you're eligible to upgrade to Windows Pro. This is a quick way to check your upgrade options before buying a product key. Command 4, check your Windows image for corruption. Type DISM/online/cleanupimage/ScanHealth and hit Enter. This command scans the Windows Component Store for corruption. It checks whether any issues exist but does not repair them. If the ScanHealth command reports that corruption has been detected, don't worry. You can repair the Windows image using this command, DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. This command scans for corruption and automatically attempts to repair the Windows image by downloading healthy files from Windows Update. Depending on your system and internet connection, the repair may take several minutes. Avoid closing the command prompt until the process reaches 100%. If the repair completes successfully, restart your computer. These 5 DISM commands are simple, powerful, and incredibly useful for troubleshooting and managing Windows. Whether you're an everyday user or an IT professional, knowing these commands can save you time and help you better understand your system. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments which DISM command you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.